A character reference letter for housing can make a big difference when someone is applying to rent a house, apartment, or other residential property. Landlords and property managers often use this letter to assess whether an applicant is trustworthy, responsible, and likely to be a reliable tenant. A weak or vague reference letter may not help much, but a clear and professional letter can strengthen the applicant's housing application and improve their chances of approval. So let's break down how to write it properly. Check this out. Referee information. This is the first part of the letter, where the person writing the reference introduces themselves. For example, James Walker, 1456 Pine Street, Dallas, Texas 75201. james.walker@email.com, 2145557 This section builds credibility. For tip, always provide accurate and current contact details to make your recommendation more trustworthy. Date. For example, November 8, 2026. After your contact details, include the date the letter is written. This is important because landlords often prefer recent references during the application process. For tip, write and submit the letter as close as possible to the applicant's housing application date. Recipient information. This section identifies who will receive the letter. You should include the landlord's or property manager's name, the property management company or apartment complex name, and the full address. For example, Sarah Mitchell, Sunrise Property Management, 890 Lakeside Avenue, Austin, Texas 78701. This ensures the letter reaches the correct person. For tip, always verify the correct property manager's name and company details before sending. Subject line. The subject line clearly identifies the purpose of the letter. This helps the landlord immediately understand what the letter is about. For example, subject, character reference for Emily Carter. For tip, always use the applicant's full legal name to avoid confusion. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. It keeps the letter professional and respectful. For example, Dear Ms. Mitchell. For tip, if you know the recipient's name, always address them directly for a more professional and personalized letter. Opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you clearly state the purpose of your letter. You should explain that you are providing a character reference in support of the applicant's housing application. For example, I am writing to provide a character reference for Emily Carter in support of her housing application. This immediately clarifies why you are writing. For tip, be direct and professional from the beginning. Referee introduction and relationship. Here, you introduce yourself further and explain your relationship with the applicant. This gives context to your recommendation. For example, my name is James Walker, and I am a regional operations manager at Horizon Logistics. I have known Emily Carter for 6 years in my capacity as her direct supervisor. This helps establish the credibility of your reference. For tip, be specific about how long you have known the applicant and in what capacity. Character assessment. This section describes the applicant's personal qualities. You should mention traits like honesty, reliability, and responsibility. For example, during the time I have known Emily Carter, she has consistently demonstrated responsibility, honesty, and reliability. She is a respectful and trustworthy individual who conducts herself with professionalism and integrity. This helps the landlord evaluate the applicant's character. For tip, use genuine observations rather than overly exaggerated praise. Financial and responsibility statement. This is one of the most important parts of the letter. Here, you explain why the applicant can be trusted to fulfill housing obligations. For example, based on my experience with her, I can confidently state that Emily Carter is dependable and capable of meeting important obligations, including maintaining a residence responsibly and fulfilling financial commitments in a timely manner. This directly addresses what landlords want to know. For tip, focus on reliability and responsibility, since these are key qualities landlords evaluate. Supporting examples. In this paragraph, you provide real examples of the applicant's character. This makes your recommendation more credible. For example, Emily has shown excellent character through maintaining stable full-time employment, managing demanding responsibilities effectively, and consistently treating colleagues and clients with professionalism and respect. Specific examples make your reference stronger. For tip, Always include real-life examples whenever possible. Recommendation statement. This is where you clearly recommend the applicant. This paragraph should strongly support their housing application. For example, I believe she would make an excellent tenant and would be a respectful, cooperative, and responsible resident. I strongly recommend her for housing consideration. This gives the landlord a direct endorsement. For tip, be confident and clear in your recommendation. Availability for contact. Here, you offer to provide more information if needed. This shows transparency and confidence. For example, please feel free to contact me if you require any additional information regarding this recommendation. This reinforces your credibility. For tip, offering follow-up contact makes your reference more reliable. Thank you statement. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. This keeps the letter polite and professional. For tip, always maintain courtesy throughout the letter. Closure, for example, sincerely, this is your formal sign-off. For tip, use formal closings for housing-related references, signature and professional details. Finally, include your name, signature if printed, position and company name if applicable. This confirms authenticity. For example, James Walker. Signature, Regional Operations Manager, Horizon Logistics. For tip, if submitting a printed letter, always include a handwritten signature. Before we wrap up, here are some important overall tips you should always remember when writing a character reference letter for housing. Always be honest, professional, and specific. Focus on qualities landlords value most, such as reliability, financial responsibility, respectfulness, and trustworthiness. Avoid emotional exaggeration and instead provide real examples that demonstrate the applicant's character. Most importantly, keep the letter clear, organized, and properly signed. So that's how you write a character reference letter for housing step by step. As you can see, every part of this letter helps reassure the landlord that the applicant will be a dependable and responsible tenant. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video.